Okay, right. Today we are going to discuss about the factors of quadratic expressions. So let's discuss about like around 25 questions are there to be discussed. Right, let's take the first one. A squared plus 6a plus 8. Now this is a trinomial quadratic equation, right? You can see how can we solve this. First of all, you have to multiply these two. 8 into a, you are getting 8a squared. So when you get the factors of 8, you know the factors of 8, we have lots of factors we have. So we can take 1 into 8, 2 into 4, then 4 into 2, 8 into 1, only those. So the suitable factor to get the middle term is 4 plus 2, that is 6, because 8 minus 1 is 7, 8 plus 1 is 9, so it's not possible to be taken. So we can take this one, a squared plus 2a plus 4a plus 8. Now when we categorize this one, a is common and we can take the rest of the term. Same thing, without considering anything, just write here. Now say we need 4a. So to become 4a, we need 4 here. 4 times a is 4a and it's positive. So the factors are a plus 4 and a plus 2. Second question, a squared minus 7ab plus 10b squared. Now you can see negative is there. So this is not difficult actually, because we can multiply. So as we did the first one, we can multiply the first term and the last term so that you get 10ab squared. So you have to get the factors now. The factors of 10 are 1 and 10, 2 and 5, 5 and 2, 10 and 1. So the suitable factor to get negative 7 is, if you make both of these negative, you can get negative 7. So a squared minus 2ab minus 5ab plus 10b squared. Now you have to categorize these two like this and check what's the common term. So a is common, so a minus 2b. Write the same thing, a minus 2b here, and check if you want negative 5, what you want right here, negative 5b, because we have to multiply it and we get the same term, and plus minus into minus is giving you plus, so it's correct. Now we can write the factors here, a minus 5b and a minus 2b. Right, now we can go to the next one. Right, third one, n squared plus 10nx minus 11x squared. Now for the ones who didn't understand, I'll explain it in a different way now. First of all, you have to understand this is called a first term, middle term and the last term. So when you are solving this kind of an expression, you have to multiply the first term with the last term. When you multiply, you get negative 11n squared x squared. So what are the factors of 11? 1 into 11. That's all we have. So to get positive 10, what are the ways we can take 11 minus 1, 11 plus 1, minus 11 minus 1. What else? Minus 11 minus 1, plus 11 minus 1, minus 1. Yeah, only these three ways are there. So if you take this, we get 10, we get here 12, here we get minus 12. So what is the suitable one? We need 10. So 11 minus 1, n squared plus 11x, right? And minus, sorry, n should come, plus 11nx minus nx, 1nx, and minus 11x squared. Now here you have to categorize them like this way and see what's the common term. N is common, so take n plus 11x. Write the same thing, n plus 11x to the other bracket, and check if you need minus nx, what should we write here? Minus x. So plus into minus become minus. The terms factors are n minus x and n plus 11x. Now we'll go to the fourth one, c squared minus 7c plus 12. So you have to multiply 12c squared you get. What are the factors of 12? We can take for this one, the suitable factor. 6 times 4 and 3. 4 and 3 we can take. So c squared, if you need negative, you have to take minus 4c minus 3c plus 12. Now categorize them, c into c minus 4. Again you can write c minus 4 here. If you need minus 3c, you can put minus 3 here. So the factors are c minus 4 and c minus 3. So c minus 3 is taken from this place, c minus 4, you are taking one factor out. So you can see this is same in every kind of situation that you are facing a trinomial quadratic equation. Now I'll teach you a short method to solve these problems. Okay, not for this question, we can do it, but we'll see this one, y to the power 4. So right, this one is a different one. Y to the power 4 is there, so we get minus 12 y to the power 4. So 12 means, you know, how to get 12, 3 and 4, but we can't take because we need 4 here. So we can take 6 and 2 because 6 minus 2 is 4. So y to the power 4 plus 6 plus 6y minus 2y minus 12. So here you have to see common factor. You have to take the common factor, that is y is common. So if we take y to the power 3 plus 6. So here we can't write y to the power 3. Right, it's not possible to write a y to the power 3. Yeah, this is wrong. This is a wrong question. Actually, it should be y to the power 2. It's a printing mistake, because if you write y to the power 4, you can't get the same factors here as well. Right? If you take it like that, you are getting minus 2 into y minus 6. So you can see factors are different. Like you get y minus 2, y to the power 3 plus 6, and y minus 6. So rather than that, we'll make it y to the power 2, and we'll do it in that manner. Then we can see y into y plus 6. So if we make y plus 6 here, this is okay. Y minus 2 and y plus 6. Now we'll go to the sixth question. 2a squared plus 3 plus 1. So that means 2a squared plus 4. So 2 into a to the power 2 plus 2. Right? So that's the final answer for this place. Question number 7 now. 6 plus 17x plus 5x squared. Now this one is not arranged properly, so I'll arrange it first of all. 5x squared plus 17x plus 6. Now let's see a shorter method here. Now in this case, okay, just we'll do it for the mind. 5 times 6 is 30x squared. 30, the factors of 30 we have to consider. Factors of 30 means 15 into 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. Now see, I'm doing it from the mind. 5x squared plus 15x plus 2x, because 15 times 2 is 30 plus 6. Now I can categorize these two like this way. 5x is common, x plus 3 here and x plus 3 here. Then if you need plus 2x, you can put plus 2. So the factors are 5x plus 2 and x plus 3. See, we did it from the mind calculation. Like when you are doing it and going, you can practice it yourself. 6x squared plus 13, okay, eighth one. Yeah, 6x squared plus 13x plus 5. Now I'm doing from the mind again. 5 times 6 is 30. 30, the factors are 15 and 2. If we take 15 minus 2 is 13. So we can take 6x squared plus 15x minus 2x, because 15 minus 2 is 13 and 5 here. So now I'm categorizing this one like this. 6x, if we take 6x, we can't take 15. So we'll take like these two are multiples of 3 times table. 3x into 2x plus 5. And if you can write 2x plus 5 here also, no problem. We'll see whether if you want minus 2x, okay, minus 1 if you put only, you can get the same thing. So factors are 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 5. Now let's go to the ninth question. 8 plus p minus 7p squared. First of all, I'll arrange this one correctly. Squared term first. Then here the last term should be a number. So 8 times 7 is minus 56p squared. Minus 56p squared. So how can we do now? What are the factors of 56? 8 and 7 is suitable because it's 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So I can write minus 7p squared plus 8p minus 7p plus 8. And if I categorize this one like this way, I can write minus 7p into p plus if I need 8, I can put 7 here then, because 8 is not a factor of 7, multiple of 7. P into I can write down even negative p into 7p plus, not plus, minus 8. Why did I put minus? Minus into minus is plus. So if I write 7p minus 8 here, I need negative 7p. So if I need negative 7p, I have to put negative 1. Then only I get positive 8 also. So what are the factors? 7p minus 8 is one factor. Now here see, minus p minus 1. This is another factor. Okay. Right. Then the 10th one will see 3x to the power 3 minus 14x squared minus 24x. Now see, big numbers are coming. 24 into 3 means you are getting how much? 36. No, 24 into 3, 72, and x to the power 4. So 72 means, what are the factors of 72 you can get if you want 14? Yeah, you can get 18 and 4. 18 times 4 is 72. So 18 minus 4 means 14. So 3x to the power 3 plus 18x minus 4x minus 24x. Now we'll categorize this one. What is the common one? 3x is common. X to the power 2 plus 6. So if I write x to the power 2 plus 6 here, it's not possible. It's not possible for this case. What can we do then? Okay, then we can write now here negative 4x we need. Right, then we can write negative 4x. Right. So factors, if we want to write 3x minus 4, x squared plus 6. X plus 6. Now this is actually okay, fine, but in your textbook most of the questions are not related with this. That's what I changed the previous question also. But this is all right, okay? So now we'll go to the 11th question. 6x squared minus x minus 15. So 6 times 15 is 30. So we are getting 30x squared. Now we need only 1. So that is 6 and 5 is suitable, because 6 minus 5 is 1. 6x squared plus 6x minus x minus 15. 6x into x plus 1. So x plus 1 here. Now I need negative. Okay, this 15, not 5. Sorry. 15 into 6. 90 comes. So 90 means, what are the factors we can take? Yeah, we can take 9 times 10, because then only we get 1 here. 6x squared plus 10x minus x minus 15 minus 9x. Then you are getting common factor 2 times table. 2 times here x we can take. 2x into 3x plus 5. Same thing I can write 3x plus 5 here. So I need 9 here. So 9 means minus 3. Now see, minus into plus minus. Yeah, 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 5. So these are the factors of this relevant quadratic equation. Now the 12th one. 3x squared minus 30x minus 72. So when you multiply 72 into 3, 216 comes. So what are the factors of 216x squared? To get negative 30 also. Yeah, we can take 12 times 18, because when you add them you get 30. So you need both negative. 3x squared minus 12x minus 18x minus 72. Now when you group this one like this way, 3x is common, x minus 4. So if I write x minus 4 here, I can put negative 8. Now you can see problem is there in this sign, right? Because you need negative. If you put negative here, it's positive. So we have to change something from here. Let's do like this way. We'll put here 12 and here 18. Now we'll see whether we can have a good symbol there. 3x into x minus 6 and x minus 6 here. So I need negative 12. So negative 12 means, if I put again negative 12, I'm getting a negative 72. Right, then how can we do it? We can change it this way also. Negative 3x into negative x. Then I need negative 18, negative 6. No, and negative plus. So minus x plus 6 if I put here negative 12, then positive 12 plus into minus. That's a problem. Yeah, I think we have to change. We have to change the symbol here. Plus if we put here. We put plus here. This is okay. 3x minus 12, x minus 6. So there are errors in the questions as well, because they are prepared papers, okay? Right, anyways, we'll go to the next question. Question number 13. 13th question. Okay, now this is different. C plus D, x minus C plus D, y. So they have just given in a different manner. It's like this way. Now you are clear with this. What should we do? We have to just multiply the brackets. Xc plus xd minus yc plus into minus is minus yd. That's all. 14th one, a squared plus ab plus ac plus bc. So ab, ac, bc. So you can take a into a plus b plus c into a plus b. So factors are a plus b, a plus c. 15th one, y to the power 3 minus y to the power 2 plus y minus 1. Y to the power 3 minus y to the power 2 means how much? You can subtract 3 minus 2, y to the power 1. So y plus y minus 1, that is equal to 2y minus 1. 16th one, a to the power 2 minus 1 means it's like a to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 2, that is a plus 1 and a minus 1. 17th one, 3p to the power 2 minus 98. So 98 means it's not a factor of 3. Yeah, then we can't take anything out. But we can write this as 3p to the power 2 minus 99 minus 99 plus 1. So we can say 3 into p to the power 2 minus 33 plus 1. So is there different ways to write down? So you can get it in that way. Now we'll go to the 18th question. Ax squared minus 9ay squared. So I can take here a is common, x squared minus 9y squared. Now you can see x squared minus 3 squared y squared. Then I can write x minus 3y, x plus 3y, because perfect squares, right? Right. Question number 19. 50a squared minus 8a to the power 3, b to the power 2. So we can take 2 times table. 2 times 25a squared minus 4a to the power 3. So wait a second. We can take a common. A to the power 2 is common. So I can take here 2a to the power 2, right? So minus b squared, right? Now you can see square terms are inside. 25 means 5 squared, 4 means 2 squared, a b squared. Okay, then if I can make this also a squared, a to the power 2, and I can take 1a out. Here it comes only 1a. No, I have to take a to the power 2 here. 1 here. No, to get a good answer, we had to put here a to the power 2. Here also a to the power 2. Into a to the power 2 means a to the power 3 comes. It's also a small issue there. We'll make this one a to the power 3. Okay, we'll make it a to the power 3. Then we can get the answer in the best way. Right? So, yes. Now we can do it. 2a and 5a minus 2ab, 5a plus 2ab. Just correct that question as well. So now let's go to the 20th question. Look at the board. 20th question is 4x squared minus y minus 2 squared. So I can write 4x squared minus now here what is it? Square of the first term minus twice the first and the second term. 2 times y into negative 2 minus square of the second term plus square of the second term. So we'll solve this one first of all. 4x squared minus y squared 2 into 2 negative 4y. So it becomes plus here, negative 4y. Then minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So plus 4 comes here. This is quadratic. You have to solve it actually. So y squared, so if I take this separately, what are the factors? Y, what are the factors? Here say I'm teaching a shorter method. You need 4. 4 means 2 times 2. So negative 2y, negative 2y. Okay. Now factors I have found. So I can write down 4x squared minus y minus 2y and y minus 2y. That's enough. Now we'll go to the question number 21. Right, square of the first term a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus again a squared plus twice the first and the second term plus square of the second term. So this is very carefully how to do because negative are there. So here you get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A squared negative 2ab into positive 2. Negative 2ab into 2 means 4ab. Minus 4ab minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4b squared. Is that clear? Now I have to solve this separately. What are the factors here? Look at the board. I'm getting a squared, b squared. So what are the factors I can take if I want a into a and b into b? Yes. ab into ab. That means ab plus ab. So what are the factors I can take? I can write down here a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. So that means a into a plus b, a squared. Yeah, then here again plus a b into a plus b. Factors are a plus b and a plus b. Now we'll solve this one. This one. Right. I'm getting 4a squared b squared. That means 2ab into 2ab. So I can write down here a squared minus 2ab minus 2ab plus 4b squared. So here I get a into, I put a big bracket. These questions are very good, okay? A into a minus 2b. Again I write a minus 2b here minus 2b. So the factors are a minus 2b and a minus 2b. So see, this is the answer. A plus b factor 1 and a minus 2b factors. Can we simplify it further? This is enough. Always this is enough, okay? 69 squared minus 31 squared. That means 69 plus 31 and 69 minus 31. So 9, 10, 100 comes into 69 minus 31 means 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. So answer is 3800. So this is always perfect squares, right? If you get this kind of one, you can write down 69 plus 31, 69 minus the first term plus second term, first term minus the second term, then you can multiply because it's brackets. So we'll go to the 23rd question. A plus b squared minus c squared. Square of the first term plus twice the first and second term plus square of the second term minus c squared. So when you solve this one, how do you get the factors, children? Look at the board. A squared b squared means ab into ab. So factors are a squared plus ab plus b squared minus c squared. So a into a plus b plus a into a plus b minus c squared. Factors are a plus b minus c squared. Okay, 24th one, a to the power 3 minus ab squared. So a into a minus a into a to the power 2 minus b squared. So a into a plus b, a minus b. Difference of perfect squares. That's enough. This is enough, okay? 25th question, the last one. 15y squared minus 77y plus 10. So how can you do 15 times 10 is 150. 150 the factors that are suitable to get 77. Yes, what is it? 15 times 10 we can't take. 150. Yeah, the suitable value is 2 times 75, because 2 plus 2 minus 2 and minus 75 makes minus 77. It's 15y squared minus 2y minus 75y plus 10. So these things are very important. Now you can categorize. 15 and 2 are there. Ne? We have to change it a bit here. I'm going to change it a bit like this way. So you have to check those things, right? So 15 times what is 75? You know that 75 is a multiple of 15, so you get 5 there. So I can write down here 15 y squared minus 5y, 15y, sorry. 15y into y minus 5. If I write y minus 5 here, negative 2. Yes, see, now we got 15y minus 2, y minus 5. These are the factors of the last question. Now you can see there are 25 questions in the first question itself. Each 2 marks. So there you are getting 50 marks for this first 25 questions, right? This is part 1. That was part 1 I discussed. So now I'm going to go to the discussion of part 2. Right, x squared plus x minus 72 can be obtained by the product of 2 expressing by adding a certain number to the and subtracting a number from x. Anyways, they are asking to find the factors first of all. So I'm going to do it with the short method. X squared means x and another x here. I need minus 72. So what are the factors of 72? That gives 1. Factors of 72. We can take 8 and 9. Right, we can take 8 into 9 is 72. So if we need plus 1, we can take minus 9 plus plus 9 minus 8. Factors are, see, I didn't do any working, we just did it. Right, so these are the factors of this term. Right, now we'll go to the part B. What is the number added to x here? What is the number added to x here? So added to x is plus 9. What is the number subtracted from x is minus 8, right? So second question, how about the marks given here? Each 2 marks, right? So you are getting 6. Second question, there has given a diagram for you all, and there's a small square inside this. This is 2x one side, here one side is 6b. Given figure shows 2 squares with side length 6b and 2x. Find the area of the large square. So area means what? Area is equal to length into breadth. The first one, part A. So that means area of the larger square. So 6b into 6b, what is it? You are getting 36b squared. 2 marks. Part B, find the area of the smaller square. 2x into 2x, that is equal to 4x squared. 2 marks. Show that difference of the area of 2 squares can be written as 6b plus 2x and 6b minus 2x. Yes, difference of the 2 squares means we can write down 36b squared minus 4x squared. That means 6b minus 2x squared. That means difference of 2 squares, 6b plus 2x and 6b minus 2x. So that statement is correct. They are saying show that. So we have already showed how it can be represented. So here also you are getting another 2 marks, altogether 6 marks. So for the part 2, totally 12 marks, part 1 50, part 2 12. So altogether you are getting 62 marks. So put your marks out of 62, then multiply it by 100% and get the marks. Right. So that's all about the factors of quadratic equation lesson. Right. Factors of quadratic equation is only this much.